3on3 is in Los Angeles, and today we're going to show you different ways to enjoy Hollywood. Celebrities, movies, studios, special effects, and lots of fun for you. Shall we go? And to get the best view of the Hollywood sign, look where we are now, guys. Lake Hollywood Park. And look how close we are to the sign here. Come see. This is probably the best place in Hollywood to take the famous picture of the sign, with an open field where lots of people can pose at the same time. No lines. Look at that heartthrob. Too bad it didn't last long. Awesome, right? It's a free place, right? You don't have to pay anything to get in, and it's going to make for a really good story. I even got to eat a great fruit salad made fresh. And right behind me is the Walk of Fame, folks. One of the most famous places here in Los Angeles, where you can see everything. This is Hollywood Boulevard, the most famous street in Los Angeles. This is where you'll find the famous stars with the names of renowned movie, television, and music artists. Can you find your favorite? At the Chinese Theater, you'll find the handprints and footprints of the artists, the coolest part. You can take a guided tour of the famous theater, which has a mini museum and is amazing inside. The street also has several other attractions, like the Dolby Theater and the El Capitan, Ghirardelli, and dozens of stores with everything about Hollywood. If you want a privileged view of the Hollywood sign, here at Ovation is a really cool place to take that photo. Look, it's right over there. Ovation is an open-air mall, a great place to walk around, and it has a lookout facing the sign. Just head to the spots. See that? And we just saw a filming, guys. Anya Taylor-Joy was here. And look, the Mad Max cars are over there. This is Hollywood. Every now and then, some filming happens around here, and this time we saw the Mad Max crew and even Anya Taylor-Joy. And speaking of celebrities, on the Walk of Fame, seeing celebrities up close is a treat. Next we'll visit Madame Tussauds. Iron Man welcomes you at the entrance of the world's most famous wax museum, where you can touch and see up close dozens of famous personalities from music, movies, and television. If you have a favorite artist, there's a good chance you'll find them here. The statues are perfect. It really feels like you're right next to them. So who would you want to take a picture with? And today we're gonna take the tour here at Warner Studios, guys. Look how cool it is to see the behind the scenes of the movies and series here on the channel. Warner Brothers is one of the most famous studios in Hollywood, and on this tour you get to see everything about the behind the scenes of their series and movies. You start by walking through a mini museum and watching a video about Warner's main attractions, and then you get into one of the carts to start the tour. You'll get to see up close several sets that are part of the studio's productions. Suddenly, you find yourself in the middle of New York, and the guide tells you which movies or series use these sets. Look at this, it's all fake. In this alley, they filmed the iconic upside-down kiss scene from Spider-Man. The famous water tower is also there, and they set up a special decoration for photos. If you're a fan of Friends, you can take photos in two legendary sets, the opening scene and Central Perk Cafe. You also get to see a lot of the indoor sets, and suddenly you're in an area full of props used in scenes like these from Game of Thrones. The items from Detective Comics superhero movies are inside the Batcave. It's awesome. The most amazing area is definitely the Harry Potter one. You can visit Harry's room and take classes at Hogwarts. Unmissable. The text mentions Minions, Harry Potter, and Super Mario. We just arrived at the most fun theme park here in California, which is Universal Studios Hollywood. Come check it out. A movie studio theme park is the ultimate way to experience Hollywood. Upon entering, we headed directly to the recently revamped 60-year-old studio tour. Get into this car and explore the behind the scenes of Hollywood's biggest movies and television shows. First of all, there are several backlot sets, including where they filmed The Good Place. How cool is that? Afterward, there's a brief visit to King Kong's Skull Island. We get to see up close how the special effects used in movies are made. There's a shark and even the chaos from War of the Worlds. And when you least expect it, you can take lots of pictures in classic settings. Very good. Another must-see attraction is Waterworld, a live show with stunt performers trained in the most amazing acrobatics and pyrotechnics. It's action from start to finish. And we'll definitely visit Hogsmeade, right? The setting of Harry Potter. Right next to it is Springfield, the city of the Simpsons. In the DreamWorks area, you can find several animation characters. I even chatted with Donkey. The Kung Fu Panda Theater and the Secret Life of Pets attraction, featuring incredible animatronics, are must-sees. Super Nintendo World, guys? Look at this. The newest attraction here is Super Nintendo World, Mario's Land at Universal Studios. Everything is just perfect, guys. You feel like you're inside the games of the most famous mustached guy in gaming. There's even a Mario Kart competition. They occasionally appear for photo opportunities. With this wristband here, you can still collect points in several little games spread throughout the area. And to finish, an unforgettable meal at Toadstool Cafe. A lot of themed foods like this soup where you get to take the mushroom home. What an amazing place. Did you like Hollywood? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, okay? More information in the video post at trisemptors.com, Los Angeles. Thank you and see you in the next Trisemptors.